Page 22, Down in the Valley. At the top of page 22, they are introducing you to a new symbol called a repeat sign. If you look at their example up there, you will see one at each end of the staff. Now the repeat sign is actually the one that's at the end of this finish. Well, look at Down in the Valley. Go to the end of the piece, the end of the second line and Down in the Valley. That is called a repeat sign. It's got the two dots, the two bar, a thick bar, a thin bar, and two dots. The repeat sign that's at the beginning of the piece is called a reverse repeat sign because it looks the other way. The rule for repeat sign is when you come to a repeat sign, you go back to a reverse repeat sign and play that part again. If there is no reverse repeat sign, then you go back to the beginning of the piece and play that part again. So I have a problem with the way they're doing it in this book because it's a little unrealistic, because they put the reverse repeat sign at the beginning of the piece. And it's redundant. You don't need it there because you're going to repeat back to the beginning anyway. And that's what they've done. However, they're doing it here because there's no other place to put it, and they want to show you the reverse repeat sign. But normally in music, you won't see a repeat sign, a reverse repeat sign at the beginning of a piece. And that's the only thing new here. It's in middle C position. Got phrasing, the whole thing's a melody, so you just do the whole thing. 3/4 time. I'm going to give us 3 counts. Let's try this out and see what happens. 1, ready, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tie. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tie. 2, 3. Repeat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, tie, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, tie, 2, 3, off.